Been also very cold to start off this morning. We already had a wind chill near -12 in the city of Toronto. We picked up just about 10 centimeters at Toronto Pearson, 16 centimeters down towards Hamilton. And there's more snow for the traditional snow belts. Let's talk about that. Satellite radar, there's a band of lake effect that's kind of just shifting towards the east right now. We've had some flurries, which are kind of ongoing through the rest of this morning and even for part of the afternoon for parts of the Golden Horseshoe, the GTA. The darker hues of blue, you could see a bit of enhancement, and that's because of those winds. And then all of the squall activity is kind of pushing off of Lake Huron this morning, which is why we have snow squall warnings and watches being issued by Environment Canada. If you are traveling out towards these regions or you are located in these regions, you're in store for another 15 to possibly 30 centimeters of snow throughout the day today as well as tomorrow. Now those are going to be very localized to the snow belts, those snowfall amounts, and it's all kind of wind driven. I mentioned the winds, they're strong out of the northwest, and they will continue to fuel those lake effect snow bands throughout the day and through the night. So just be mindful of that. In terms of the other parts of the GTA, those winds will allow for some lake effect flurries on and off, and the winds, they're shifting a little bit more westerly for tomorrow. Remembrance Day, it's going to be cold. It's also going to be a brisk wind. You'll want to bundle up and have those extra layers with you, at least to start off the work week. Today, a high of only -2 in Toronto, -3 in Newmarket, 0 in Hamilton, feeling a lot cooler once you factor in those winds. So there is a wind chill in place. A look at the future cast, you could see very scattered, not very organized flurries going through the rest of this morning. And then by the afternoon and evening, these squalls kind of set up, and these can actually drop a couple of centimeters, minor accumulations for parts of the Golden Horseshoe. It's really this band that has my eye on it. That again is going to be coming in off of Lake Huron, Georgian Bay, and potentially crossing parts of the 400 by tomorrow morning and part of the afternoon with some heavy pockets of snow. So it's going to be very localized to that band. The big question is exactly where it sets up. So that's going to be the concern there. And then by tomorrow afternoon and evening, it's going to be scattered rain and snow flurries for most areas. So in terms of overnight temperatures are kind of moderate, between -2 to -3, but we'll feel cooler with that wind through tonight. Tomorrow, temperatures are above freezing, so yes, by the afternoon, some spotty showers are going to be mixing in with those flurries, but it's still well below seasonal, 2 to about 3 degrees as your daytime highs. That's the warmest we will climb up to, so dress accordingly for that. Temperatures rise a little bit more by the middle of this week, and we'll likely have a few morning flurries switching over to scattered rain showers by the afternoon. Should stay dry for Thursday into Friday. Temperatures back to around seasonal, which is about 7-8 degrees. And then a little bit of a dip on Saturday, mostly cloudy, and then rain as we get into the end of this weekend.